That's the sound of 5-star Akil. And I am very pleased to say that, should I say welcome home, boy? 5-star Akil is in the building with us, 96.1. Welcome.
After 3 years, I will still say it's home.
Of course.
I will always say home.
You had to say that. So, of course, we welcome you back. I have to compliment you on your consistency first to begin with.
Right.
You know, from the first time somebody starts off, people say, "Oh, they're shaky, they entering it for the wrong reasons, this and that." But consistency has been the word for you throughout the years, Akil, and throughout everything that you've been through.
Right.
You really still push through, and one of the best artists that I have to say up to date. Real, coming from the bottom of my heart, I had to say that.
Right.
You understand?
No, I appreciate that because, I mean, this journey here, it opened my eyes to see a lot of things, even, the world.
Yeah.
And even in music itself, I get like deeper in the music, working with, producers like, Nikolai, who used to be former Precision.
Right.
And now Kobayashi and Jovan. We try to do music to make people enjoy themselves and ready for the clubs. And I mean, this song that I'm bringing here, Noise, is basically for the club, for the fete, Kimberly, I don't know where to start to talk about this journey because this song here brought tears to my eyes.
Serious?
Yeah, because we were delaying a lot, and I was trying to understand what was the reason why we delayed. And we had a set date, and we passed the date. The date ended up going, and we was like, between Kobayashi and Nikolai, to work with those two is.
And you're looking for perfection at the same time.
Right. And Jovan, is like dealing with a lot now.
Yeah.
And we had to make decisions, like drastic decisions. No, it's not ready. And I had to put down my foot like most of the times to say like, yo, we're not ready.
To go. Yeah.
Because I was not hearing what I needed to hear.
Right.
So we work until we get it. And today is the day. I know some of them was like, since 5 o'clock this morning, we was under pressure because I went to a boat ride and I came back from the boat ride and it was work again.
Yeah.
Back between Leo, Nikolai, and Kobayashi. And we had them like, yo, we need to get this out tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day.
What I want to ask you though, Akil, how the concept Noise came about? How the concept Noise?
Boy, let me tell you something, right? Me and Jovan, we went to St. Vincent, right?
Right.
And it was a real experience. For those who never been to St. Vincent.
St. Vincent is crazy.
No,
and people is underestimating. It's a small island.
No, St. Vincent know how to party.
And they know how to party. But their tempo is faster than
they like that. Yeah, they like that.
Right?
They're not really into the groovy too much. No.
Right. So I was invited to Skinny Fabulous show.
Right.
And that was the first time I ever performed there. And I was like, why the music so fast? so
energy.
So we sit down and I take Jovan with the writer, and he catch an idea.
Houdini, big up Houdini.
Yeah.
He catch an idea and it's like, yo, we had to do. He get inspiration from there, and I was like, yo, the music need to slow down a little bit for we to understand. But they have that love way, they have that jam in it now, and it was like, yo, this is the song. The concept came from Noise because people carnival time. This is what we just do.
Yeah.
We just disturb the neighbors. When you see the trucks passing through these areas, the neighbors pulling the blind, and it was like, yo, oh gosh, it's carnival.
It's carnival. You gotta get them the blind.
Yeah.
Even if you don't participate.
Right. And this is the masqueraders, fetters. They in the fettes and they like, noise they making.
So producer is Kobayashi. Coming from St. Vincent as well.
Right.
He's from St. Vincent.
Right. He's from St. Vincent. We fly him down.
Wow.
And we went up there and we fly him down.
Good work, yeah.
And we was working on.
Everybody's trying to get a hold of Kobayashi, boy.
Yeah.
Very hard,
Yeah, but he's a real humble fella. Along with Nikolai from Bass Gang.
Is it the reason why you didn't use a producer from Trinidad and Tobago?
No, it's not that. I work with Casey from Precision, but I wanted a different song.
Cool. And that's and you want the song that they could relate to because it's coming from Vinci itself.
Right. And I mean, people want me to come back with that next to my heart, but it's gone. I mean, I know all the love.
They holding on to that,
But music, there are different parts of the music.
I understand that.
You know, and I always want to be different as an artist.
Can't find that.
You know what I mean? They consider me, like, I go to shows and they consider me as a DJ.
Right.
But it's the respect now. I mean, the third year is even harder because I was among pressure, like, yo, and I know Tunji was under pressure too because
people don't understand the game. They don't understand the game.
We running the same length. Yeah. It's Olatunji, me and Lyrical. We running the same length. So it's like, yo, the third year, what we going to do? And I said,
the pressure's on.
The third year,
pressure will be on.
All right, here we going on. We going different. Jovan, we going different. Kobayashi, we going different, and that is what it was.
And it's a risk at the same time too, eh?
I was taking the risk. I was pushing the bar. I wanted to push the bar. I wanted people to feel what I was feeling. I want to bring the soul in soca. That is what I want to do. The pain of life in the soca. We making noise. I had a lot. Kobayashi make my voice like 100 times, and I now understand the feeling.
Yeah.
What artists go through, like Olatunji and different artists, Marshall, Bunji, Fayan. You know, all the artists who represent, even the young ones like Second Star. Yeah. You know, all you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I want them to understand that there's plenty of work it was going through.
So how do you feel when you hear, because you know everybody has their own opinion and have an opinion about something. Oh, these fellas only jumping in because it's a money thing, or because they feel they can get a blind, or they're bored, or for what other reason. When you're talking so passionate right now about your reasoning and your life struggle, and you now reaching to a stage in your life where you're understanding the music and you want to be full-fledged artist and not only known as a radio announcer, how do you respond to people like that?
I want people to understand this is not about money for me because of what I went through. I don't even want to flash back on that. The money I spend on the songs that I do, it doesn't even matter. It's about the music reaching somewhere. And that is what we try to accomplish. In my brand itself, 5 Star Akil, we try to accomplish that. We push the bar. Each one of us worked really, really hard, and the people behind the scenes, because I comment raw, because at the side, I was trying to get every single DJ comment. What they think? What the vibe?
Yeah.
Well, you know, and it was like, yo, bass, yo, vibe. It's
and that's the next thing. I'm glad you bring that up too, because there's a lot of artists out there, seasoned artists as well, that will come to you with the same approach as you said. Give me honest opinion, and they cannot deal with the honesty.
And I take a lot of that because of, you know, I want to know. When Rog messaged me, he tell me as it is. I didn't even want a yes.
You want no sugar-coated, yeah.
No. Tell me, I've been down that sugar-coated already. And now it's time to bring hits. That is what it is about. It's not about trying to pamper me.
Yeah.
The concepts that we try to come up with is different. We're not playing with the same words. We're playing with the words that will relate to you and, you know, the average man on the street and the people in the club. We want that bass, that heavy bass.
That noise.
Yes. That's what we want. Noise. That's what we want. I mean, and I respect everybody who is behind the song. You know what I mean? The whole team.
And of course, the hard work definitely has to be paying off.
Also, I also had a big up to Dory too, because Dory's in Paris right now, and he's actually editing the video to release tonight or probably for tomorrow.
I was just about to ask you, because I think a lot of people look forward to seeing the visual with hearing it to marry them together to understand the full concept. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. So that's coming out. So the video has been filmed and everything already.
Yeah, we've been filming. That was one of the reasons why we delayed too, because we had so much going on that we was trying to get it done and try to get it perfect now. You know what I mean? It's like the video coming, why the taking so long? Come on. Kobayashi had to fly here because he working with other people, so we had to respect certain people's time. You know what I mean? Yeah. But I must commend Kobayashi because he have a lot of work going on. And I smiling with this because I know he listening, and I know he have a lot of things going on personal too, and he actually make that time because he believe in what I done, what I have do for the music. Right. You know what I mean? Even Nikolai as well, even Jovan and the rest of the people, even Rhea and all too. Jovan, Rhea too. You know what I mean? People. People who support, man, I give them enough props. Even Tunji too.
Yeah. You know, we just have we rapport one thing for real.
Yes.
Backstage, we just have we rapport one thing for real. Yeah, we talk.
I mean, the game is just, just how to be humble. But me, I just want to bring tune. That's what it's about.
And I'm not going to lie, Akil, I am feeling, I don't know if you're all feeling it in here, I'm feeling the emotion from him that he is extremely passionate about what he's doing. And you can tell it's been we know it's been a journey, and you reach a certain level and it's just overflowing, oozing. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it.
I mean, there's soca, and what I saw out there is unbelievable. I fly to Edmonton for the very first time. I don't even know it. Like it feel like 3 days flying. And I was asking Leo, them people know soca over there?
Yeah.
And this was one of the strangest feeling I ever get.
Edmonton is in Canada, right?
Yeah.
Canada, right?
On the next side, right?
Yeah.
Like close to Russia, somewhere around there.
Right.
So I was like, they know soca. When we reach Tunji, I was like, yo, people singing word for word.
That's the power of music.
The dance for, and I was like, that was so. I was like, this was the first time I ever was afraid to go on stage. I was like, yo, them people, they must start out. And then Leo say, yo, just go and do it now.
Just do it.
All day. The music out there.
Send the message. And who don't know will know.
And the music actually. My next song will tell Trinidad and Tobago, that is Adventure that coming very soon, will tell Trinidad and Tobago who really watching.
Right.
The world actually watching what we doing. Big up to Marshall Montano and big up to Bungie.
Yeah.
And all in us seeing it. All in us seeing that the world watching. They watching what we doing. So let we just pay attention and do the right thing. The older ones, the elder ones, support the younger ones.
Yeah.
Support the younger ones. And guys, we need to work hard. And you have to work hard. We have to work. Me and Tunji know we have to push that because they're out there waiting.
Yeah, that's right.
They're out there waiting, Kimberly. Yeah, they're waiting.
Well, I'm giving you the floor right now for you to introduce your brand new track. We want to hear the noise.
Hey, 96.1, let me tell you something right now. This is Noise, my second release. Listen carefully.
Well, guys, you just heard it. Noise coming on from 5-Star Akil, produced by Kobayashi. Love it. Love it.
Don't forget Nikolai too.
Nikolai
from
the whole
this
team.
gang.
Gosh.
Yeah.
Can't forget about nobody at all.
Yeah. Jovan James, enough respect, enough love.
All I'm hearing is growth. That's all I'm hearing.
I mean, we wanted to push the bar. It's not people expecting a tomato. We not tomato gun.
Yeah, that's such a yeah.
I mean, voice training. These guys not playing. They want the soca to go to a different level. You know what I mean? They wanted to go to the highest heights because the world watching what we're doing. I mean, I just doing it because I love what I do and I love the music. I feel certain things when I was there and on this song that I never felt before. And I mean, it right in the music. I mean, it's soul. Listen to it, it's soul. Everything there is soul.
Yeah.
Adventure coming, Trinidad and Tobago. Look out for that one.
That's so more stuff coming. More stuff.
The final one.
Yeah.
And that one, the video release. Dory.
Right.
We released the video for that before. Now, I
know you don't want to talk too much about
Adventure is a groove song, is a power.
As well, groovy
as well.
Yeah.
Any collaborations with anybody?
Well, just the one with Lyrical and
that's it for the season. Yeah.
And that was it.
So no power for the season, no power.
Nah, I'm not ready for the powers yet. I mean, I know where the groovy, I know where.
Yeah, you're working on achieving and fixing that craft first, and then I think you can move forward.
Yes. I mean, when I do something, I try to do it,
to the best ability,
and get better in it now.
And comfortable too.
And comfortable, and then go to the next
level. Right.
Cool, can't fight that.
Yeah, boy. We making noise. 96 making noise. It's 96 come to make the whole world turn up loud. 96 making noise.
Now, everybody, I have to let you know, make sure and tune into our YouTube channel, TTRN. I want people to really look at this video, especially because people are going to understand what I'm talking about, the emotion that I am feeling watching Akil's face here.
Yeah.
And I need for you guys to really understand it and see. I mean, it's total passion, 100%
Yeah.
seriousness. This is not no jokey thing where people say, let me take a blind, this soca thing, let me try and get through. It's not like that.
Nah.
It's no immature vibes. It's true talent, and you're really serious about your craft.
Yeah.
Now, so serious that I'm going to ask you now, I know you've started off in the DJ business
Right.
and the announcing business. Do you think at any stage you might want to give that up and give this your full 100%? Or you think you'll be able to balance
That's a good
both?
question.
Oh, it's a real good question because the question is asked by the average person on
Right,
the road.
right.
What, you know, you're doing this and it basically starting to cut in because
Yeah.
every time we do a song, we push the bar a little higher than it is. So now, you know, we going higher than it is.
That's
so
the
now
thing.
it getting harder and harder to, you know,
Time consuming. Yeah.
with the, you know, with the DJing.
No, I'm not saying that you can't balance it, but for some people it'd be extremely hard,
Yeah.
especially when gigs and you have to go abroad and this
Yeah.
and studio time.
Right.
People don't understand how hard it is.
And this year, I you know,
Difficult to know.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
difficult.
yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, you know about it.
Yeah.
You know about it.
It's really, really difficult.
Plenty burn I do.
Yeah, well, yeah. But we love it though.
Yes.
You love it.
Yes. I think that day will come and I will know. I can't put.
You can't put a time limit on it right now.
I just go by when that voice tell me, you know, it's time. I just go by that voice tell me, yo, Kill, this is the direction you need to go. Yeah. I just wait. If it takes me 2 days for that voice to come around and tell me.
But at this stage, what you feel like you're loving more though?
I mean, the passion is in the DJ. That's where it came from. Every artist.
Everything grew out of that.
Every artist went through that. Even I mean, Chinese Lodges could tell you that as well. I mean, he could tell you that, you know, it before he do that is he starts singing as well. And you can't lose the DJing. I mean, but the singing is there, and I just trying to get better and better every time I come and every year.
So you just had to wait and see?
Yeah, that's it. I just floated. I'm floating. Yes, boy.
Wow, Akil. But we want to wish you the best in your endeavors. I'm so proud to see how far you reached, really from the bottom of my heart. Really loving it.
Yeah.
Loving the transformation.
Yeah.
The growth. You have matured so much, it's not funny.
Yeah.
And I mean, life is definitely a learning experience, and you can tell that you've been learning consistently.
I mean, some things in life happen for a reason.
Yeah.
And we try to figure it out, like stress on ourselves, but you know what I mean?
Just let it be.
Just let it be. I mean, God have his works. He know what he want for you. I mean, he is, all this going on here is not me.
Yeah.
So everybody thinking is, yo, it's 5-star. It's not me, it's God. And he in the people and them that we work with. And he just saying, yo, this is how it had to go. And this, my ears is not my ears. My eyes is not my eyes. My mouth is not my mouth. I mean, this is all good. And big up to my mom and my family who support me the most. My kids, all this going on here, and I mean, things happening in the family that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
My son now he wasn't well, and we were still getting it done.
Right.
And we were still making it happen. And Kobayashi, the same way he had a loss, and he was still making it done. Leo had his, big up to Leo, my manager, my best manager in the world. I love him like a brother because he down for what we for, the brand, about pushing and getting it out there. It's not even a joke, it's not even a hype. It's about getting the work out there, and he's been there doing it. Leo, enough love to Jovan, one of the most miserable writers in the world.
Never mention too. Houdini.
Yeah, but I love him as a brother.
Right.
I love him and the people who support the team. Rhea, I love you too. Big up yourself too. You know what I mean? That's all I can say.
Everybody, if you forget anybody.
Kimberly.
Yeah.
96.1. I mean, love. There's home. I mean, my spirit is still here, you know. My spirit is still here.
See, that's the first thing I tell you, welcome home, no matter, you know.
I mean, foundation, I will never disrespect foundation anywhere. I mean, foundation, this is here where it starts. Big up to Chow, because, I mean, he teach me a lot.
Yeah.
We never had much conversations, but we spirit.
It's understanding.
Yes, our spirit clash and that we understand. when you understand Joe, you understand Joe.
Yeah.
So big up. You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Great.
We
Fantastic.
making noise,
Yeah, man.
Making noise.
Yeah.
And also
Keep
big
pushing
up,
through.
big
Yeah.
up to Trevlin. 'Cause last night Trevlin just went on. He just went and make noise last night on the boat. So big up to Trevlin.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, anybody else you have to shout out? I know. Gosh, people say what they forget so, but just everybody.
I don't think I forget anybody, boy.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so, boy. I really don't think so. You call everybody out there.
I think I call everybody. Boy.
Well, thanks so much.
Yeah, boy, tada, boy.
Tada,
We go bounce about it again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Bless.
Yes, boy. Yes, boy.
Thanks so much, Akil, for passing through. I know
Yes.
there's a lot of guys in the industry, all his brothers,
vibe.
gosh.
Vibe for real though.
Yeah.
Now certain brothers is a vibe. It's a vibe.
And people don't understand the whole thing is a warring thing.
No.
No.
Akil cool boy. You know what I'm saying? Akil cool, humble brother.
Very humble.
Yeah.
Don't see it, don't pass, way straight at all. Can't say that about him at all. You understand?
Enough respect to Ezel too. That's a big brother too. Hey, 96.1.
Yes.
We making noise this carnival. We go wreck the place, shake the
Bounce it
tongue.
again now,
Yes, we
Clyde.
are going to break it down. Crank it up louder, Clyde. Wake up the day.
Break it down.